okay? So we're gonna go to this options button and we're gonna select one graph. So now you see that we have two data sets on here. Again, all we want is this one. Let's go right over here and select the Y. So all I'm doing is tapping on the label for the Y-axis, and I just want to select the Y. It's nice. These little thumbnails are nice. You could tell which data set you're picking, okay? I'm going to go right down here and change my appearance to points. You don't have to do that. I'm doing it. I like points. And then I'm just going to tap on the screen and then drag over. And once I do that, you'll see the option to bring up statistics, a curve fit. The main thing that I'm concerned with is a curve fit. So I'm wanting this linear curve fit, okay? And I want to explain this a little bit. We have our y is equal to mx plus b. Know that m is your slope. It's your rise over your run. So it's delta y over delta t. That's velocity in the y direction. So our m right here, negative 3.240 e to the negative fifth, is our velocity in the y direction. It has a negative sign there, which is indicative that it is falling. Our math and what we see, all of this math is very formal, very specific. So yes, it is all that. Okay. So here we go. I have another one. So you'll see, you can tell the slope is 3.153 e negative 0.5, and it's positive. And again, we have our slope here. I'm going to put the falls. I want to put the falls down here, and I'm going to put the rises at the top. So I'm going to pull over like so, curve fit, and I'm just going to grab this label and drag to the left a little bit. And we don't have to hit those corners. These corners are going to represent portions, places where things are accelerating. So we want terminal velocity in this experiment. And we're just going to try to avoid, let me see if I can pull this down. Don't think I can. Nope. So we're going to try to avoid going all the way out to the edge. May not make a big difference, but any two ways, we have our rise velocities here and we have our fall velocities here. Now all we have to do is take a snapshot of this. This is serious data. We don't have to take it into Microsoft Excel. We probably never had to except for formulas. Now we're going to take, we don't have to take the data into Microsoft Excel. We can and process it. We can do the same thing, but it's a little bit more expeditious here. We're going to take our rise velocities and put them in, and then we're going to take our fall velocities and put them in. So make sure that you share this with Dropbox. So I'm going to Dropbox. I'm going to go to my average velocities. If I go back out, you should be able to see this in your folder. I'm going to have I should have all kinds of information in my folder here. So you'll see that I have a calculator, and I am just going to open this Millikan calculator. Yeah. So let's put our velocities in. First velocities, rise velocities. Let's go ahead and look at that. Rise velocity, I have 3.153 e negative 5. Excel will take that just like that. 3.153, and let me go back to this, e negative 0.5. I think that's what they had, or what we had. And I'm just going to drop that. And then we'll do the next velocity here. The next velocity is 2.947 e negative 5. 2.947 e negative 5.